Do you love to collect passive dividend income? How about collecting even more passive dividend income? Would you like to know about 3 big dividend raises that just came in that might have increased your passive income? Then you have to check out today's video.
He is a best-selling author.
30-year-old Jason Fieber has a plan.
This guy retired at only 33 years old.
I don't know if I know too many people that have accomplished something like that.
He's really kind of a guru when it comes to passive income.
Before I get into today's content, please give us a big thumbs up if you find value in our videos. Helps us to get the word out and grow the channel. I'd really appreciate it. The dividend growth investing strategy has totally changed my life. What's the strategy all about? Well, it's about investing in world-class enterprises that pay reliable, rising cash dividends to their shareholders. Don't tell me how profitable you are. Show me. Show me the money. And don't just show me money. Show me more money year in and year out for decades on end. See, passive income is great, but it ain't that great if it isn't growing. That's where dividend raises come in. They protect and even grow your purchasing power. That means you can keep up with the rising costs of goods and services. And if your dividend income is growing faster than inflation, that can start to slowly unlock more lifestyle choices for you. The really cool thing about these dividend increases is that they don't require you to do anything to receive them. It's like getting a pay raise but doing absolutely nothing to get it. Just hold shares. That's so easy, even I can do it. I want to tell you about 3 recent dividend increases that may have given a big boost to your passive income. Let's dig in. The first dividend increase I want to share with you came from Digital Realty Trust Inc., stock ticker DLR. Digital Realty Trust just increased their dividend by 3.6%. Not a humongous pay raise, but it came to shareholders without them doing anything. More money is never ever a bad thing. This dividend increase should have some context. The stock yields 3.5%. So it's a pretty nice balance between both yield and growth here. Stocks that have higher yields tend to have lower growth rates and vice versa. It's up to shareholders to decide where they want to be in that matrix. Either way, Digital Realty Trust hands out dividend increases like clockwork. This is the 17th consecutive year in which this company has increased its dividend. Their 5-year dividend growth rate is actually 5.5%, so this one came in a bit light. But a 3.5% yield paired with a mid-single digit dividend growth rate is certainly nothing to sneeze at. And the stock looks about fairly valued here. The second dividend increase I want to tell you about came from Home Depot Inc., stock ticker HD. Home Depot increased their dividend by 10%. A double-digit dividend increase always makes me smile. This business is just killing it across the board, and long-term shareholders are reaping the rewards. All of those people leaving cramped city apartments for big suburban homes? Yeah. Home Depot loves it. And so do shareholders. Profits are through the roof, which is why they're able to hand out a big dividend increase. This marks the 12th consecutive year of dividend increases for Home Depot. And with the way things are playing out in the US right now, I think they're just getting started. I imagine this stock will become a dividend aristocrat one day. And with the stock not outrageously expensive right now, it's worth a good look as a long-term investment. The third dividend increase I'm sharing with you came by way of Domino's Pizza Inc., stock ticker DPZ. Check this out. Domino's increased their dividend by a whopping 20.5%. That'll pay for some pizza, folks. If you're a shareholder, this is the easiest 20% pay raise you'll ever get in your life. Domino's benefited big time from how the pandemic situation played out and increased demand for pizza delivery. As with Home Depot, Domino's is in the right business at the right time. But that was also true before the pandemic, and it'll be true after the pandemic. Keep in mind, Domino's was handing out double-digit dividend increases before all this happened, and they're in a great position to keep it up. This is the 9th consecutive year of dividend increases for Domino's. And more dividend increases are about as sure to fall into place as, well, Domino's. The stock doesn't look super cheap here, but it's difficult to expect a big sale on a stock when it's firing on all cylinders like this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you did, and let us know in the comments what you think about these dividend raises. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on new content. Also, take a look at the description box below for some important links, including the link to my personal stock portfolio. This 6-figure portfolio, which I call the Fire Fund, generates enough passive dividend income for me to live off of. It allowed me to retire in my early 30s. I've made my portfolio entirely accessible over at Patreon, and I also post alerts there whenever I buy or sell a stock. I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm often invested in the same high-quality dividend growth stocks that I make videos on. Over the years, I've heard from thousands of investors who've been profiting from many of the same exact stocks that I own. So if you think this is something that you could benefit from as well, check the link in the description to see my portfolio and start getting my buy and sell alerts. I'll see you next time.